We're on the Mauchline Burn, also known as the Chalk River, in Mauchline in Ayrshire. And we've been doing some restoration work funded by the Wild Fisheries Fund, which is aimed at restoring both salmon and trout populations to this burn because they have been lost over time. There is great scope, great potential with this wee burn. We're about a mile upstream of the River Ayrshire, and there's not many spawning burns in this area. So by restoring this, restoring function, restoring the form, we hope to really kickstart a population here within the next couple of seasons. And with the fund, we've installed fencing, excluded livestock, and we've done quite a distance of that. I'm guessing maybe 1.5 kilometres of fencing and livestock exclusion now, maybe more. And then we solve some of the other problems, massive erosion going on it because of the overgrazing by sheep and cows. All these things gel together and we produce things like this. And it's through the support we can get from this fund that's made it possible, because we couldn't fund it elsewhere. This is just one job we've done with them. We've done 3 now, and it's been hugely successful. It's a game changer for us in many ways, and we will bring fish back to this burn. I have no doubt about that.
Unfortunately, even you've got a burn going across the field, it's a source of free drinking water, no maintenance, and that comes at the cost of the burn. We've got siltation, you've got sediment enrichment, fecal matter from animals, and that all really depresses water quality. And water quality is the thing that underpins your invertebrate communities, then your fish communities, and then the terrestrial ecology that comes around and about the watercourses. So that's our mammalian life, otters, bird life, kingfishers, herons. All these things really rely on good water quality to support the ecosystem at large. Whilst the driver for us is the fish and the ecology of the watercourse, there's a lot of other big wins that can come from around the work that we've done here. So the funding from Salmon Scotland, which is administered through the Wild Fisheries Fund, is just incredibly important to trusts like ourselves. These projects aren't huge. They sort of sit in the sort of £20,000–£25,000 region quite often, but I think the impact they have is sort of far bigger than the money that they require. Without these funds, these things don't happen, and our wild salmon are in a much worse position without the funding.